we've got two people here that are spies, and they're going to go on a secret mission. So what these two people have to do is that they have to make the sound effects. So they're going to make the sound effects. Richie and Sorcha are going to make the scene.
You're doing my sound effects.
And you're doing my sound effects.
Go on, Rossi boy. Rossi's a king.
So we want to know, who are they?
Nobody. What are we saying?
The Russian spies using Irish passports.
That's exactly what they are.
Hold it, Linda McCartney.
And what are they saving today?
Polar bears.
Let's sing Bosco.
Right, thanks. So they're saving polar bears.
Hold it, Linda McCartney.
From Bosco.
Was that polar bears? They're saving polar bears.
Missing Bosco.
Russian spies saving polar bears.
I'll have this. What is my accent? Am I Russian?
It's infectious. Okay, Secret Agent Bob, I have a memo coming in right now. I have two memos.
I think that's my mobile phone. It's in Polish.
Holy fuck, I am confused. Look at this.
Oh crap! Bosco and the polar bears again. Big brother is everywhere.
We have to get into the car. No, let's get our guns first. Okay.
Okay. That is a very I only have small little gun.
Click, click.
I broke it.
I have to test the gun. Oh, it's very broken.
Fucking hell, that is good. Don't point it at me.
Listen.
Don't fucking do it again.
What is saying these things? Oh, no, sorry, that is my mother talking to me on Skype. Fuck off, mother.
Okay, listen. We have to get into the car.
You broke the door.
I always break. Okay.
They're having fight outside. Half the car stopped. The other half kept
Pull
going.
over. Pull over the car.
Oh,
Polar bears.
and there's Bosco.
Listen to them.
It's those paper things that come out. The cut-out paper. I will shoot them.
That's shit gun. I will shoot. Oh shit! I killed polar bears.
Oh, fuck. At least we have some skin because it's very cold.
It's very cold. Okay, I am going to run in the snow.
It's Polish Baywatch. So people stand in darkness, turn on the lights. I'm sorry, MI5 titty guns. I kill Bosco.